the Duramax, I got a diff cover a company wants me to try out. Let's see here. SPELAB sent me a diff cover. Let's see. Let me open the bad boy up. Check it out. They want me to review it. Check it out. See what it. Nicely packaged. You guys did awesome on the packing. Had this on it. Oh yeah, these in there good. I think I move around, unlike some other companies out there. But let's see what this is all about. What it is all about. Oh, that is really nice. Look at that. Wow. So it's got all the deflections for the oil to go right into the diff. Get the bearings, the carrier bearings. How cool the rear end. It's got a drain port, so you could just loosen that, get all the oil out of there. It's got a feel and a sight glass with the little ball in it. Can you guys see that? It's got a little glass in there, or a little sight glass with the ball in there, and I guess that ball floats. And a feel. Feel it right here. Just turn that, loosen it, pop it out, put the oil in right there. This ain't bad. Look at that, it's pretty cool. So this design is like to help it cool. A lot like my power steering on the buggy. It just helps cool these got cooling fins on it. So if you're pulling heavy loads, this will help keep the oil cool. All the bolts, the hardware to put it in, and a gasket. That's cool. So that's a really nice design. That is really cool. So on the stock diff covers, it's just flat and it's metal. It's really thin. It's flat, and this is gonna spread the oil all over the place. And I'll show you what I was talking about, like on my power steering I got this. So these fins, I call them cooling fins. And this helps cool the oil inside of there. So same idea on this one. So that's what they were shooting for. And yeah, so I'm gonna install that because this is gonna be my tow rig, and as soon as I get it going, I will let you guys know how it acts. But it runs again. I'll go in that in a little bit, but for now it's all about this. So I like how it has a sight glass in it, so you can look in there, make sure the oil's still full. Let's see if I can get it. So that sight glass goes all the way through. Make sure it has oil in it. Drain it pretty fast. Swap the fluid out really quick without pulling the diff cover. And this might be, oh yeah, it's got a magnet on there. So the drain plug has a magnet down in there. So there it is. Look at that. Got fin here, fin here, fin here, fin here. So I'm guessing the oil comes in, splashes up, goes around back into the pinion gear, and some of it comes out on this side, splashes up on the carrier bearings. So machined very nice. It's aluminum, so there it is. They make diff covers, they make all kinds of stuff on there, for I think a Ram, Dodge, Chevys, and yeah, if you guys want one, the description down below would get you there. So check them out. Even if you guys are not ready to buy one, just go in there and check out their website. They got all kinds of other cool stuff. All right, here we go. Got the diff cover torn apart. I'm glad I'm changing this diff cover because this oil is really black. Look at that. It doesn't even smell like 80/90 anymore. But got new diff cover right here. Gaskets, washers, bolts, lock nuts. All of it's there. And 6mm Allen. Let's see if I can set this up right here somehow. There it is. Sweet. So that's what it looks like. Looks good. And it's gonna perform really good, which I'm pretty excited about. Because you can see the oil was not very good in this one. So there's the stock diff cover. There's the new one. So I'm gonna put the rest of the bolts in and get back to you. There it is. If the ball is flowing, you got oil. Look at that. Looks good. So if you want one of these, go down to the website. I got it down in the description down below. And check it out. They got all kinds of stuff in there. They got exhaust. They got an exhaust system for these things. They got all kinds of cool stuff. Just check out their website. But there it is. Thanks for watching.